Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture, we have learned how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail. Today, we are going to learn how to create a professional YouTube banner in Canva. A YouTube banner is one of the first things viewers see when they visit your channel. It helps to communicate your channel identity, niche, and overall style. So let's create an attractive YouTube banner step by step. By the end of this lecture, you will learn how to create an YouTube banner in Canva, choose the correct dimensions, select a professional background, add text and images, apply consistent branding, keep important, consistent inside the same area. Create a clean and professional channel banner, okay? So let's open Canva. Let it open. So finally my Canva is open. Now click on create and find here a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube. Here you'll find a YouTube thumbnail or YouTube banner. Okay, or if there is not option of YouTube banner, so you can find YouTube channel art. If there is also not option of YouTube channel art, so you can customize. Okay, click on YouTube banner. Important, YouTube banner specification can change, so always check Canva or YouTube current recommended dimensions when Canva creating your design. Step number 1. Step number 1 or 2? I forgot. Okay. Firstly, click on background and search for background. We can use a solid color, a gradient, or pattern, structure, or Canva template. For professional YouTube channel, choose a background that matches your niche and branding. I will choose a pink because my niche is matching to pink. Yes, pink. Okay. I am going to create a clean background with the color that matches ZeeHaa Vibe brand. Avoid using very busy background because it can make your text difficult to read. Now let's add a main image to our banner. You can add your own photo, your logo, graphics, Canva graphics, relevant photo, icon, or illustration. So I will add, firstly, click on upload, and I will add my own logo. Click on Widget Remover. Widget Remover is the Canva paid tool if you want to buy Canva. Paid. So DM me on Instagram for further details. Okay. Now, adjust it to your size. Like this. Layer, send to back, and click on this. Zoom. And yes. Now, make a group. Okay. Let it be a side. Okay. Now, you can add your channel name like I am adding my channel name. So, I will select the heading and write, I think, yes, right, ZeeHaa Vibe. And click on here, give a space, and Z capital. Okay. Now, click on my favorite style of fonts. And now I am going to click on white. Okay. White and logo. Yep. Okay. Make the channel name large and easy to read. Okay. You can use a bold font for the main heading and choose the font that matches your overall brand style. Now, tagline. Underline the channel name. Underline, okay? We can add a short tagline, for example, click subheading and right here, Canva. I will click on dot, okay, Canva, press enter. Let me select it. No, it's wrong. We have to remove this, okay. Canva dot AI. I should be capital and press the dot again. DESIGN, design dot tutorial, TUTRIALS. I think spellings are wrong. Yes. Oh. TUTORIALS. Okay. Now click on here and do a single line. Or you can also write line dot create dot grow. But I want to write this, so I have selected this. No. This one. Keep your tagline short because should be able to understand it quickly. Like, and now I'm gonna choose color is pink. It's not good. So I will choose white again. Okay. Now applying your branding. Now let's make sure our banner matches our brand. We can add banner colors, banner font, logo, consistent design style. For example, if your YouTube thumbnail uses certain colors and font, try to use same style in your banner. But we gonna use logo. Like this. ZeeHaa Vibe logo should be yeah. Let me add it to this center. Yes. Okay. This create a professional, consistent look across your entire channel. Now click on elements and search here for Canva because our main topic is Canva. And I will select this and add an image of Canva here. No, here. Let it zoom. Let me adjust like this. Okay. So now this is one of the most important thing when creating a YouTube banner. A banner can apply differently on mobile, laptop and screen. Don't place your important text or logo close to the edges. Okay. Give space from every side. Keep your most important information in the center area where it is mostly like to remain visible across different devices. This is especially important for your channel name and tagline. Now, we are going to add a few elements to decorate. For example, lines, shape, icon, small graphics, abstract elements. Now, let's start. Now, click on. What is that? Now, click on lines. I will select lines border. Press enter. Graphics and like this. Now, color change option is white. No. I think we cannot change the color of this. Okay. So, delete it and let it select more. White border lines. WHIT, white line borders. And then. Let me select different styles. like this. I will select this one. Click on this, add white. Click on this, yes, it's mostly white. Click and flip horizontally. Now, adjust it to the same. Create a duplicate. Flip vertical. And like this. Flip horizontal like this. Now adjust it like this. And let it adjust. Okay. So here it goes. Now pick a simple lines, dotted lines. Click on this and dotted line. Color should be white. And create a duplicate for this. Okay. Now white flower. Pink flower. Okay. So I will add some butterflies. I think this is enough, simple and is decorative logo. Yes, no, it's not looking good. So I will click on it. Select this and I will add here a butterfly. Okay, create a duplicate. Simply flip and adjust here. Create a duplicate. Flip. Okay. Now delete it. I will alter it. This is enough. Don't over-design your banner. A professional banner should have enough space around the important elements, so everything looks clean. Now, check your design. Before downloading, let's review our complete banner. Our channel name is clearly visible, tagline is readable, important content is visible, images are high quality, elements are properly aligned. Okay, colors matches the brand, design does not look overcrowded. Also zoom out and look at the design. As the viewer would see, if the main message immediately understand, then your banner is good. Okay. Now it's your turn. You have to create this banner and send me an Instagram DMs or stories or tag me. Or if you don't want to create this, create your own and send me that. That's your assignment. Free certificate reminder, don't forget about the free Canva Master Certificate. Complete all 60 lecture and practice tasks. Like and comment on every video, subscribe to ZeeHaa Vibe and share your practical work on Instagram posts and stories. Let it download, complete all course and practice tasks to eligible in Canva free certificate. So, you know how to create a professional YouTube banner in Canva. In next lecture, we will continue creating more professional YouTube designs and learn other useful Canva skills. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to follow ZeeHaa Vibe for more Canva tutorials. I will see you in next lecture. Happy designing. Allah Hafiz. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Goodbye.